Hey there everybody, let me tell you, getting old and trying to work in a garden sucks. I built my raised beds to help out so that way I could go around and work in them without killing my knees. Got to put a back brace on before I go out and do anything that might be a little bit medium heavy lifting, and put a foot brace on, help out my foot. But it's hard work gardening, and it's gratifying, but it still is hard work. I love gardening. I don't want to stop, so I figured I'd buy myself something. This is a garden kneeler, so it actually will also turn into a chair. Somebody check it out. I bought it off of Amazon. I'll leave a link down below in case you want to check it out. Leave a few others in there in the link so you can figure out which one you want to get. This one came with some extra tools, so we're going to open up and see what we got inside. It was about 40 bucks, and hopefully it has everything in it that I wanted to have, and it works good. A little bit of a pain in the butt to open up. They sealed this thing pretty good, but it changes from a or supposed to change from a kneeler to a seat back and forth, so that way I can sit on it to work in the raised beds. And I still have some area in the back where I have to get down on my knees and weed. Haven't been able to weed very good lately, so let's see what this thing's got in it. Has some pouches for some tools. And how easy is this thing going to be to put together? Start off, gives me a professional quality plier series. Now, that's not bad. It's greased up pretty good. Extra bolt for it and extra clip on the bottom. Not too bad. Couple garden tools. Medium quality actually. They're not super cheap, but then again they're not super expensive. And the snips are actually pretty decent. And a pair of gloves with the cat claw fingers. I've never used these things before. Supposed to be able to dig into the dirt, but they do fit. I was expecting the gloves to be like kid size or something, but not bad. They are right-handed. Left hand doesn't have the little claws on them. Now for the garden chair piece. Clips in. Boom. So this is the kneeler part of it. Flip it over. Got the chair. And it looks like to free it, you just squeeze and turn without pinching your hand in there. Folds away pretty good. Seems to be sturdy, and the padding, not too bad. Your pouches, quick Velcro. So for setting up, this thing's ready to garden. I'm going to take it out and start doing some gardening with it, see if I like it or not. Now, before I even started filming, I just set this over here getting everything done, decided I'd sit on it really quick. I got a mole hole right here. So, hey, safety advice, make sure you don't have any mole holes around that you're going to go into. Give it a nice push first before you just try sitting on this thing. let's see how it works. And it would help if I attach my tools. A little top heavy on the tools. So, tool pouch, about worthless, but it was just a bonus on it. Unless you don't mind having your tools flapping back and forth. Let's see how it works. Oh, not bad, not bad. Little paracord, got some tomatoes that are hanging down a little bit. Let's bring them up. And I'm dropping green tomatoes. And tie these off and up a little bit. And let's see. Boom. There you go. Poor tomato. Try out these clippers that come for free. These actually are a really good deal here. See how I do back here. Give it a few cuts. Not bad. Best bonus are these clippers. These clippers are very nice. I like these. So let's see how it does if I flip it over. Got to take the tools off of it, of course. So this is pretty cool because I can actually help myself get down onto my knees. This feels pretty sturdy here. Nice and padded. The pad's actually not too soft, so it doesn't feel like you're sinking. But it's working pretty good. Get in underneath my plants. I gotta do a better job with these tomatoes though. Well, as you can see, it fits in between my raised beds here if I put it sideways. I can put it here, sit on it. I actually prefer to put it this way. That way I can keep working my way down, move it, slide it down a little bit, do a little bit more. Pretty sturdy. The gloves, I don't know if I'll ever use these. I just never got into using the fingernail cat's claw thing here. They do fit. The larger tools tend to make the bag flop a little bit. And that's going to be dangerous for me because I'll end up bumping into these things. So I probably won't use it for the bigger tools. It does have the two bags. Probably only use one, put the other one someplace else along with these tools because I got plenty of this little spades and the little rakes and weed pulling stuff. So, but once again, I do like this. This is a great bonus if they just have these, this particular type. I would definitely get it. This chair itself, nice and sturdy. Nice and sturdy. I'll be able to use this thing for years. Collapses easy. And it works great. It's going to help me out a lot, make it a lot easier on my back, my knees, my foot, and it sucks getting old. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hey, give me a big thumbs up, push that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening, have a great day.